How to use Monzo Abroad. While traveling, there is no need to notify Monzo about your plans. Your Monzo card works seamlessly abroad, just as it does in UK. You can use your Monzo card in other countries without any worries of it being blocked. Upon your initial transaction in the local currency, Monzo will provide you the current exchange rate. If Monzo serves as your primary bank account, you can make unlimited fee-free cash withdrawals within the European Economic Area (EEA). Outside the EEA, you can withdraw up to 200 British pounds per month without any fees. Beyond these limits, a 3% charge will apply. You can learn more about this in detail. To keep your holiday funds separate from your primary balance, you can place them in a designated pot. Please note that your Monzo account only holds British pounds (GBP), meaning you can't convert your balance into other currencies. However, you can freely use your Monzo card abroad to make payments in foreign currencies. Our system employs the Mastercard wholesale exchange rate. Ensure you receive the best possible rate without any additional markups. Thanks for watching.